If you have a question, this is the place to learn how to do the math. This is your practicing of it so that you make sure you understand it. So number one, what was the answer to number one? Sophia? $62. Yes. Number two, don't forget the dollar sign. Number two, Aubrey, did you want to do number two? Yes, $2.86. Yes, there should be a decimal point when you write money. It should have the money sign, 2, decimal point.
86.
Thank you. So that's what your answer should look like. All right, number three. Write the numbers in order from least to greatest. Who wants to read me those three numbers? Johnny?
52, 58, 63.
Very good. 52, 58, 63. Number four. Who wants to tell me the answer to number four? Jack.
$2.19.
Not $2.19. Chloe? $12.19.
Yes. I got it right.
All right, number 5 was one of those tricky ones. It wanted you to round as you were going.
16 is 20, 21 is 20, 83 is 80.
But it wanted you to write a number sentence. So you write 20 plus 80 plus 20 equals.
Oh, I did the same sign. I wrote 16.
Right. Oh, yeah, because it's money. You should have money signs in front of all of these.
21. I didn't put money signs.
Yeah, but that's not what it asked you to do. This is what it asked you to do. It says, write a number sentence using the rounded amounts to find how much Kane spent on the down. So that write a number sentence, so you rounded the numbers, great. But some of you forgot to write the number sentence, which was the actual answer. Yes. Yeah, if you did it down, I don't mind if you do it down because it makes more sense and it makes it easier to add. When you get older, you're going to have to write the number sentence this way. But right now, if you're writing it down, yes, this should be the answer to number 5. Sorry, I can erase the 0 plus 9, so it's not. So.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Are we ready to go on to number 6?
Yep.
Yes, this is number 2 and this is number 5.
Number 6 is 90 degrees.
Number 6 was rounding to whatever was closest, and it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you have that little F, that degree symbol and F after your answer. All right, number 7 was write $450 using words. So you should have wrote $450. That should have been your answer.
I forgot to write the dollars.
Gotta make sure you read the whole thing. Yep, but that doesn't work when you're writing words. That is a symbol for digits. So you have to write the word. All right, number 8. I know you guys all know how to do this. What are the 2 addition facts?
8 and 2.
Micah?
2 plus.
Are you Micah?
8 plus 2 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 10 plus 8 equals 2. 7 plus 2 equals 10.
So on those last 2, it should have been subtraction symbols. Make sure they were subtraction. Okay. 10 take away 2 is 8, and 10 take away 8 is 2. All right. Number 9 is show how to write half past noon in digital tour. What should you have written, Jack?
12:30 p.m.
12:30 p.m. Everybody write 12:30 p.m.?
I put 1:30 p.m.
That would be an hour and a half past noon. So you might want to fix that to 12:30 p.m. All right, number 10. What are the next 4 numbers in my sequence? Aubrey? Perfect. Number 11. What are my next 4 numbers in my sequence? Chloe? Perfect. Number 12.
364.
No. Sophia. Perfect. $314. All right. Number 13. Aubrey? Yep. Number 14.
50.
Yes. 15.
487.
Yes. Chase is right. $487. 16. Jack?
1,625.
No.
600.
Jacob, you want to?
Wait. What?
5.
625.
$625. 17. Micah? 15 was $487. 17. Sophia? $75. Remember, the dollar symbol should be in front of your number. Cent symbols go behind, dollar symbols go in front. Number 18. 18 was a really hard one. 100.
Oh, I put 77.
19. Who can count by 25s? Jack? Not 55. Aubrey? 50. 50. 25. 50. 75. 100. And number 20. No, you're wrong.
30? 31.
No.
32.
It is 32. Each one of those tick marks on that problem were worth 2 points. All right. Write how many you got wrong on the top of your page and turn it in. That's fine. I just want to know so I know that what we do.
What do I rate if I got only one wrong?
-1.
20 and 5. Just so I know. Right here, I thought was wrong, but it's right.
Okay, so just write.
This is how much I got.
No, because we're going to teach the lesson now.
How much I got?
Okay.
Mister, but on number 19 is 19 right?
Yes, you have 19 right.
You only got 5 right?
And you had 20 right. That's the right answer.
What was that page on?
Huh?
What page was that on?
What do you mean?
Like,
You don't need to write that on. I know what it is.
no, like what page?
133. No. You want the answer? $75. I'm guessing you forgot to carry. Yeah, that's what you did. You forgot to carry. You wrote a 15 instead of carrying the 1 up there.
So minus 1.
Huh?
Minus 1.
Sure.
Are you doing the math lesson?
Yes, I'm going to do the math lesson right now. All right. We are on lesson 25, counting dollars and cents. If you have your coins, you can pull them out. If you did not, that's okay. How much is a quarter worth?
25.
If you look on page 135, they show pictures of different coins. The quarter has the head of George Washington on it, and our quarters in our country, most quarters nowadays have some kind of state on the back of them. Not different states have different backgrounds. Dimes have the head. Dimes are your smallest coin that is silver, and they're worth 10 cents. Nickels are your bigger, but not quite a quarter. Huh?
What page is
I'll put it on there in a minute. It's 5 cents and has Jefferson's head on it. And pennies are worth 1 cent and are brown. So I need somebody to look at page 137 in their book, and we need to figure out how much money is there. 137. How much money is there? How many quarters are there on that on letter A? Nobody's going to do math today with me? All right. Well, that's fine. Anybody have any questions on the assignment? Sophia? So number one is asking you to, so the formulate are the directions. Write the number sentence for the story problems in number 1 and 2. Write a complete sentence to answer each question. So there's 2 parts. We have to write the number sentence and we need to write a complete sentence. So we read number 1. The bus ride cost $2.50. The taxi ride cost $4.50. What is the cost of both rides? So are we adding or subtracting? Adding. So we're going to do our number sentence. We're going to do $2.50 plus $4.50 equals question mark. You can always solve those if you want, but that is your number sentence. So then we need to add it together to find our answer. 0 and 0 is 0. 5 and 5 is 10. So we have to carry a 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. $7. So we can say the total cost is $7 to make it a complete sentence. Does that make sense? Number 2, you need to do the same thing. You need to have a number sentence and a complete sentence. Any other questions on anybody looking through your math assignment? Number 10, counting. That's the one you need help with. 18, 27, 36 is counting by nines. Have I showed you my trick for counting by nines? 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. If you're counting by nines, you just go down at an angle on the nines. From the 9. Mhm. All I do is I just use my hands. Mhm. You can do that too, but do you know why you have skip counting all the time in your math lessons? It's getting you ready for multiplication. I don't know, but pretty soon. Because if I ask you what is 9 times 4, right? 18. I can go 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36. That's easy. We can do that on 8s too. 8s is a little harder pattern. 8s you go like this. Right, you skip 1. So then it gets really, you have to come back over here. Right? 2, let's see. 8, 16, 32. 20. Then you go to 36. So it's a 6 pattern. 8. No, it should be 48. 48, 56, 74, 82, 98. You need to learn the pattern. On number 3, write the number sentence that states the total value of 2 quarters, a dime, and 3 pennies. This would have been the math lesson you didn't want to do today, but I'll help you with it. You got the answer. Did you write the sentence to go with it?
I did.
Because that's part of the question. So how much is a quarter worth?
I wrote just like you did.
So we have 2 quarters, so we need to write. Oh wait, they used the cent symbol. That'll be better because then we won't have a bunch of zeros. 25 cents plus 25 cents plus. They have 1 dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. Plus, how much are pennies worth? 1 cent plus 1 cent plus 1 cent equals how much? 25, 50, 61, 62, 63. 63 cents. That's your answer for number 4 or 3. Okay, you can stop it, Jess.